Sentosa! Hi, how are you?
Is this on GoPro?
Looks like a GoPro.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Hi. This is avocado and coconut.
Ooh, thank you. Real avocado and real coconut.
Hi guys, we can need to stop on shore.
Okay.
You want to keep it valuable, you can afford to in the town.
Okay.
Good for you.
Oh, what are you doing? Dini?
Helping to apply some
Oh,
sunblock.
you feel like a slave?
Huh?
Do you feel like a slave now?
No.
Like putting sunblock on your king.
Putting butter on my steak.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
The Hydrodash. Oh, the spec drop ah. Oh wow. Hi. So we have finished our Hydrodash. What's your comment? Will you recommend it?
Yeah, I think it's quite fun. I think if the ocean wasn't that salty, yeah, sure.
How about you? What's your comment?
Yeah, agree. I think we should do it at a freshwater pool or lake. And yeah, and also wear tights. I mean, it gives you more grip, right? You said.
Yeah, that's a very useful advice. You should wear tights. The tights will give you more friction, then you won't fall into the water that frequent. See, this is the evidence that I went to Hydrodash. This is the friction to hold you on all the obstacles. So if you want to be like an Aqua ninja, you need this.